I've got all this basil here. It is about 4 or 5 degrees Celsius, so it's only a matter of time before this all dies on me here. Beautiful Spanish thyme or pudding. Now let's look at the size of the leaves, man. But anyhow, we're gonna harvest this and I'll show you all how to sort of preserve it or to keep it for the entire winter. Two ingredients: the basil that we harvested in the backyard, we'll get to that in a second, and of course some coarse salt. This is kosher salt. This is a way of preserving these lovely, I mean, does it ever smell good, basil leaves. So I have stuff that can, a simple thing. And you're wondering, yeah, what can I do with this? Listen, the simplest form you can use this basil salt for, yes, we are doing basil salt, is you slice a tomato and you sprinkle it with some of this salt, black pepper. Man, one of the tastiest snacks you'll ever have. In goes the salt. And what I did was, and I'll have the printable recipe as I always do on CaribbeanPod.com. I have about 1.5 to 2 cups pressed. Really, I press down in the cup here of the basil leaves, and I have 1 cup of salt. Tray now with some parchment paper. We're going to remove this, and we want to spread this evenly on here. Preheat your oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Anyhow, all we're doing now is spreading that out into a single layer. All I got to do now is put it into an airtight container in a cool spot in your cupboard. It'll last for months. It's a great way. And anything you're seasoning and you want some basil in there, why not use some of this salt on there?